In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track your personal budget using Notion in 2025. We'll guide you through setting up and customizing your budgeting workspace efficiently. So by the end, you'll have a clear picture of your finances at your fingertips. Let's dive right in. To begin with, open your web browser and navigate to your connected workspace on Notion. If you're not already familiar, Notion is an all-in-one workspace app where you can plan, write notes, and organize your life. Once you're on the Notion site, you'll see the option to log in. Click on Log In and enter your credentials to access your Notion account. Once you've logged in and are on the Notion homepage, let's head over to the Templates section. Notion has a variety of templates that make it easy to structure your data. And for budgeting, these templates can be a real time saver. Click on Templates from the menu on your homepage. Now that you're in the Template T8 library, use the search bar to look for a personal budget template. Notion's search function is quite intuitive, providing you with results that match what you're looking for in a matter of seconds. Scroll through your options and take a closer look at the templates available. Now, it's time to choose a template that best suits your needs. Select the one that resonates most with how you envision tracking your budget. Keep in mind, factors like the complexity of your finances and the type of expenses or income you want to track. Once you've picked a template, the next step is to add it to your workspace. Simply click on the Add button to import this template into your Notion setup. This action will create a new page in your workspace, pre-filled with the structure provided by the template. Finally, the most important step is to edit the template according to your specific needs. This is where you can personalize it. Rename categories, adjust the layout, or add any extra features you think might be handy for tracking your budget. For example, you might want to add a section for tracking savings goals or occasional expenses. By customizing the template, you ensure that it accurately reflects your financial landscape and helps you maintain an overview of your budget with ease. Remember, the goal is to make this tool as intuitive and useful for you as possible. So don't hesitate to tweak it as much as needed. Congratulations, you've just set up your personal budget tracker in Notion. With this setup, monitoring your expenses and income should be a breeze, allowing you to make informed financial decisions. Thank you for watching, and happy budgeting!